How do you turn any product page into a video ad? It doesn't matter what your store runs on. Etsy, Amazon, Shopify, WooCommerce, or a supplier page. If a product has a page with photos and a description, you can turn it into a video ad with one method and no filming. Here it is. The reason this works across every platform is that the method doesn't care about your store, it cares about the product page. A product page is a product page. It has images, a title, and a description, and those are the raw materials for a video ad regardless of which platform hosts it, so one workflow covers all of them. Step 1. Copy the product page URL, any platform, any product. The page already has the images and the copy, and that link is your only input. I'll do two here to prove the point. One from a Shopify store and one from a supplier page, and you'll see the process is identical. Step 2. Paste the URL into Creatify's link to video tool. It reads the page, pulls the images and the description, and builds a first draft video automatically. The assembly, the part that normally eats your time, is already done. You're refining a draft. Step 3. The dropshipping use case, because this is where the method really earns its keep. If you're dropshipping, you often don't have your own product footage, just the supplier's listing. Paste the supplier product URL and you get a usable video from images you'd otherwise have nothing to do with. Two cautions. 1. Check that you have the right to use the supplier's images in ads, since not every supplier allows it, so confirm before you run paid spend. 2. Supplier photos can be low quality, so favor the cleaner images and lean on the on-screen text and hook to carry the ad. Step 4. The hook and the format, same as always. Lead the first 2 seconds with your single strongest benefit or the pain you solve, edit the script text so the voiceover matches, and turn captions on for sound off viewing. Then size it. Vertical 9:16 for Reels and TikTok, square 1:1 for feeds. Make the vertical cut first and duplicate to square. Step 5. How many versions should you make? Always more than one. The whole advantage of this method is speed, so use it. Make 3 to 5 versions per product with different hooks. Keep the footage the same and only change the opening line and the on-screen text. Test them, find the hook that holds attention, and make more like it. 1 video tells you nothing. 5 tells you which angle works. Finally, where to post, by platform. For organic reach, Instagram Reels, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. For buyer intent traffic, Pinterest. For paid, Meta and TikTok ad campaigns, and the platform's own video slots if you're on Amazon or Etsy. Same source video, sized for each, posted across channels. That's the universal method. Any product page in, video ad out, no filming, and it works whether you're on Shopify, dropshipping from a supplier, or anywhere else. For the exact platform-specific steps, the Etsy, Amazon, and Shopify tutorials are on the channel.